Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to invite someone to chat on Instagram but aren't sure how to do it? Don't worry, it's actually super straightforward and I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. Step 1. Open Instagram and navigate to the person's profile by searching their username in the search bar at the top of your screen. Once you find them, tap on their profile to see their full account and bio. Step 2. Look for the message button, which is typically a paper airplane icon or a chat bubble icon located near the top right of their profile. This is your gateway to starting a direct message conversation with them. Step 3. Tap the message button and you'll see options to create a new message. You can choose to send them a regular DM, or use the chat feature if available in your region. Step 4. Type out a friendly invitation message. Keep it casual and genuine. Maybe mention why you want to chat or what you have in common. Something like, "Hey, I've been following your content and would love to chat sometime." Step 5. Hit send and your invitation is on its way. They'll receive a notification about your message, and if they accept, you can start a proper conversation in your direct messages where you can exchange ideas, photos, and have a real back and forth dialogue.